following county, Indiana, Pennsylvania. Winter weather advisory now in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Monday. Snow accumulations, an additional 1 to 3 inches. Period of most intense snow, noon to 6 p.m. Wind chill warning, wind of 15 to 25 miles per hour and temperature from 5 to 10 below zero. Will produce wind chill indices of 25 to 30 below zero tonight through Monday morning. Impacts, hazardous travel conditions are expected due to snow and blowing snow. Visibility could fall below 1/4 mile at times this afternoon. Tonight through Monday, frostbite and hypothermia, if precautions are not taken. A wind chill warning means that very cold air and strong wind will produce dangerously low wind chill values. Do not venture outdoors unless you are properly dressed for the conditions. A winter weather advisory for snow and blowing snow means that traveling will be inhibited due to snow-covered roads. Use caution when traveling and report snow accumulation to the National Weather Service by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Special weather statement for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Greene, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge, and the following counties in West Virginia, Marshall, and Ohio. A dangerous snow squall will affect extreme south-central Allegheny, extreme southeastern Belmont, extreme southeastern Ohio, Fayette, Greene, Marshall, north-central Preston, northern Monongalia, northern Monroe, northern Wetzel, southern Washington, and southern Westmoreland counties. At 2:39 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was along the line from Thompsonville to 13 miles west of New Martinsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This snow squall will rapidly drop visibility to near zero. Roads may quickly become snow-covered and slick. Locations impacted include Monongahela, New Martinsville, Denora, West Newton, Monessen, Charleroi, California, Centerville, Waynesburg, Brownsville, Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale. Please report significant weather by posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or by using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Here is the River Report. The district